Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe an occasion you wore your favorite clothes. You should say when it was, what you wore, why you wore it, and how you felt about it. The December wedding of my cousin last year was one of the occasions when I wore my favorite outfits. The whole family came together to make the day special during the lavish party, which took place in a stunning dining venue. I decided to wear an outfit I had been saving for a special occasion because weddings are such beautiful occasions and I wanted to look my best. I wore a royal blue gown with elaborate golden embroidery as part of my traditional attire. Despite being comfy and light, the cloth had a luxurious, glitzy appearance. I added golden jewelry to my ensemble, such as bangles, earrings, and a necklace, which went well with the embroidery. I wore light makeup and a strong red lipstick for a punch of color, and I curled my hair in soft curls to finish the look. In addition to being lovely, this ensemble has special value for me, which is why I decided to wear it. I had been waiting for the ideal opportunity to wear it since my parents gave it to me as a birthday present. Since the wedding was a beautiful occasion with lots of photos and wonderful memories to document, it was the ideal occasion to display it. Additionally, I wanted to join in with the celebration's festive vibe, and this ensemble made me stand out while still fitting in. I felt secure and content on this particular occasion because I was dressed in my favorite attire. Family and friends showered me with praise, which made me feel better about myself. Additionally, I was at ease all evening, which made it possible for me to fully enjoy the event by dancing, mingling, and snapping photos. All in all, I think that attire added to the occasion's specialness and is still one of my favorite memories. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.